Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to uninstall Eclipse from Windows machine. So I have installed Eclipse and I need to uninstall it. So I was looking for the programs file here on control panel and program and feature. I didn't get any package name or file name as Eclipse. So here is no any file, so I cannot uninstall from programs file. So there is another way to uninstall it. You need to go to this Eclipse icon and there is option for open file location. Just click here and you can see all the package and configuration file is here. So go to one step back, one step again back, and go to your location. Okay, so these are the files you can delete. This one and other Eclipse file, this one logs file. Okay, so you can easily delete this one. So what I'm going to do, I'm simply going to delete it. It will take a few minutes. 0% completed, 100% completed. You can also delete this Eclipse workspace. Okay, let me also delete this one. And there is other the logs directories here. Let me delete this one also. And I think this .p file is also related to Eclipse. You can delete this one. It is a huge file, it's taking time. And let me check what is in under M2 file. So .v file is unavailable. Okay, it's deleted. No, it's on the process of deleting, so it's deleted. And you can see, I think this is not related to that Eclipse. This is Apache something. So I have already deleted that Eclipse file, and then this shortcut you need to simply delete here. Okay, so this is how you can delete Eclipse from your desktop if you try to open and there is no any option to open. Okay, once you restart this machine, then this you cannot find these apps from here. Now you can see these apps, but once you restart this machine, then you cannot find this. Let me do restart. So I have just restarted my machine, and you can see after restart I was trying to look at Eclipse and the apps is not here. Okay, so you can follow the same process to uninstall Eclipse from your Windows machine. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe it. Thank you.